So hello guys, welcome back to the episode 3 of how to make a shooter game on Scratch. And guys, in this episode, I am going to show you how to put variables in our game. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, what we will do is, we will say when flag is clicked, we will go in variables and make a variable which will be score. Okay, now set this score to a large readout and then bring it over here. And now say that when flag is clicked, set the score to 0. Now go in the enemy and say if touching sprite 1, then change the score by 1 and then delete this clone. Now if you see, then whenever you are killing any of the spaceship or the enemy, then our score is increasing by 1. But our character or the player which is playing the game should also lose the game. So for that, we will create a new sprite which will say you lose. I will just set the fill to a white color, saturation 0 and brightness 100, and then we will say you lose. I will just make it a bit bigger and bring it in the middle. Now we will say when flag is clicked, hide, and then go forward 10 layers before hide. Okay. Now we will go in the enemy and we will say that when I start as a clone, forever, if touching the earth, then broadcast a message, and that message should be you lose. Now go in sprite 2 and say when I receive you lose, show, and go forward 10 layers, and at the end of all say stop all. Now if you see, whenever our enemy is touching the earth, then it displays the you lose on the screen. I'll just place it over here. Now our game is ready. Now we can also kill the sprites, kill the enemies. We can also move our spaceship and we can also lose the game. But we will also make a winning system in our game. For that we will go in the character and we will say when flag is clicked, forever, if, go in the operators, and if score is greater than 50, then broadcast a new message which will be you win. Now we will make another sprite. It will be just like our you lose sprite. Go in the text, I will set this to white once again, and now we will say you win. Now we will make it a bit bigger and we will put it over here. Now we will say that when flag is clicked, hide, go forward 10 layers, and when I receive you win, then show and go forward 10 layers. Now if you see, then whenever we will kill our enemy, then our variable is increasing by 1. And whenever our variable will go more than 50, we will win the game. Now we will also add some sound effects in this game. we will go in the enemy, or we will go in the sprite one, and we will go in the sound. We will choose a sound, and that should be collect. Yeah. Or we will not put this collect in this sprite one, we will put this in the enemy. In the enemy, go and search collect. Okay, now take this and we will play sound collect after this. Okay, so now whenever we kill an enemy, it is playing a sound collect. But this takes much more time. So we will just make a new code for it. We will remove this from here and we will put it over here. So now if you see, then our game is working properly, but there is no sound. So we will put this over here again. We will delete this, and yeah, our game is ready. Okay guys, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.